What are we eating, Z?
Ice cream.
What are you eating, Lo?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
Cotton candy. Ice cream.
What kind?
Zion have.
Cookies and cream, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty tasty?
Yeah.
What do you got going on with the bike over here?
Trying to take the pedals off, and I'm making a dirt bike.
Gonna make a dirt bike.
Yeah.
But don't you need an engine?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna get the engine from?
Tire.
The tire's gonna make it go?
Yeah. It's gonna go all the way out of the light, and it's gonna go flying out.
Flying out of where?
This
Oh. Oh, what's in there?
light.
That's gonna come flying out, you think?
Yeah. So I'm trying
What are
to
you
make,
doing? Zion, what are you doing?
Yeah, he's helping Ray.
He's helping Ray.
Yeah.
Who's Ray?
Me?
Oh, okay. Well, hi, Ray. What do we think we're making?
Dirt bike.
I don't know. Might be lacking.
Yeah, mine was still
Yeah?
this.
Yeah?
No.
I think we gotta pick up the garage a bit. It's looking a little chaotic.
Daddy, where's your old engine?
For the weed whacker?
Yeah.
I think we got rid of it because it was seized up.
Oh, what did they?
What'd you create?
I don't know.
What'd you make, bud?
A bike.
What kind of bike?
A dirt bike.
So it's like a dirt bike?
Yeah.
What's this up here?
The starter.
It's the starter?
Yeah.
Look. Did you make this all by yourself?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. What's this thing up here by the handlebars, bud? Is this a snorkel or what is it?
A doll.
It's exhaust? Very nice.
Look at you.
Yeah. Ready to go? Let's go get some treats?
Yep.
Let's roll.
Then you can make